How to allow camera access on OmeTV. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now tap on apps from here, then search for OmeTV, tap on that. Here, if you find the camera option, make sure to toggle that option on to allow camera access. If you do not find the camera option here, then you want to head back. Now tap on privacy and security. From here, select camera. Now find OmeTV and make sure to toggle the option on for OmeTV over here. Next thing you can do is head back. Then tap on screen time from here. Now select content and privacy restrictions. Toggle this option on. Tap on allowed apps and features. Now toggle on the option of camera from here. If you're still not able to allow camera access on OmeTV, then the last thing you can do is offload the app. For that, you want to tap on General. Then select iPhone storage. Now search for OmeTV app. Tap on that and then tap on the offload app option. Once you have offloaded the application, you want to reinstall it from here. And in this way, you can allow camera access on OmeTV. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.